What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this exercise, we're going to create section view, a callout view of the exterior wall, and we're going to create a detail callout of the parapet. So basically, we're going to learn how to create views. Alright, so let's do this. So the first thing that we will be doing is we're going to create a section view. Okay, so let's check out our project browser. So from the project browser, we have here our store floor. Okay, so that is where we are going to place our section. So now to create a section, it has something to do with view, right? So let's go to the view tab, and then from the view tab, we are going to create a section here. So I'm going to select the section. Okay, so for creating section, you just need to click 2 points. So let's say I want to create a section here. So I'm going to pick 2 points. Zoom in. So 1. So there's the section head, and then you pick the second point. 2. There you go. So as you can see, your section is looking to this side, but you can flip that to the other side. So you can click that one, and then you can also adjust your section boundary. So let's say up to here, and then just click outside. Okay, so if you will notice, or if you do not want to have a long section line here, so let's say you do not want to overlap your section line with other elements because it's kind of confusing you, so you can click the section line, and then you can click that icon there. It will create, or it will break your section, so it gaps in segments. So you can click that. There you go. And then you can adjust this one. You can move it up somewhere there, and then you can click again the section, and then you can move it down here, and that's it. So that's now our section. Okay, so you can also cycle the section head. So if you click the section, you can click that to cycle the section head. So click C, right? So you can click. That's how it looks like. Click again. There you go. Okay. Now the next thing that we will be doing is we're going to open the section. So to open the section, there's multiple ways to open the section. The first one is double click this part of the section. Double click that, and then it will open up the section. Okay. So let me close the section. So another way is you click the section line, right click, and then select here, go to view. So you also have an option if you want to flip the section to the other side, but just click go to view, and then you'll be going again to the section. Okay, so let me close again my section 1. And another way of opening the section is when you create your section, since it is view, it will create a view here on our project browser. So you look on the section here. So there's our section. You can click the drop down. You can see the section there. So if there's a lot of sections here and you want to know what's the name of the section that you created, so you just hover your pointer like that, and then you can see now the name of the section. So the name is section 1, right? So you just look for section 1, and that's the view. Just double click that, and there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna open the store floor again, and then I'm gonna select here tile views, so I can see the floor plan here as well as the section view. So here on my section view, I'm going to make it fine detail level, and then I'm gonna change the visual style shaded view. There you go. And then here from the floor plan, I'm going to select the section, and then I'm going to nudge it. So I'm going to use the arrow on my keyboard, and then I'm going to nudge it to the right. And look what will happen here on the stair portion, or here on this section view. So here on the floor plan, I'm going to move it. See? So it updates dynamically, right? There you go. So that's the power of BIM. All right. So now the next thing that we are going to do is, let me just hide first the call out, the crop region here. So I do not need the crop region showing here. So that's why from the section 1 view, I'm going to hide it. So hide crop region. So just click that. So it will now hide the crop region. If you want to do some tidy up, so you can do that. So you can click that. You can drag that. Right? So you can click that. You can click that. Create elbow or add an elbow icon, and then you can drag it up. Move somewhere here. Like that. There you go. Okay, so now the next thing that we will be doing, going back here on my floor plan view. Let me maximize my floor plan view. Pick your view here and then maximize it by selecting Tab Views. Shortcut is TW. So I click that and there you go. Now, let's create a call out. So again, call out has something to do with view. That's why you can find it on the View tab and call out. So you just click the call out. Okay, and then from the properties, you can select here detail view if you want, but we are not going to do that. So I'll just use here my call out. So just call out, click that call out, and then just like your section, so you just need to pick 2 points. Okay, just need to pick 2 points. So we will be doing these on our section view. So let me modify that to cancel my call out tool. So let me go to section 1. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom in to this area here. So this is where I'm going to create my call out. Okay, so let's do this. So let me select the call out. And then here from the type selector, so you have several options. So you have detail view, building section, and wall section. So I'll just use the wall section here. And then I'm going to pick 2 points. Just pick 2 points. 1. And then pick another point, 2. There you go. And then select modify. So there's your section head. So you can click your, there's your call out head. So you can click your call out and then you can move that. So you can drag that blue node. Maybe you can put it here. And then you can create an elbow if you want. You can click that, just drag that one. So you just adjust it like that. Okay, and since call out is a view, so you can find it on the project browser too. So there's your call out. Okay, or hover your pointer and then you will see the name. So the name is section 1 call out 1, which is this one. So you can double click that, or just like your section, you can double click the head here to open up the call out. Or let's go back to our section. You can click the call out, right click, go to view, right? Or just double click the section 1 call out 1 there. Okay, so that's it. So you can adjust from here. So going back to my section, so I'm going to adjust my call out. So I'm going to select the call out and then I'm going to adjust it. So just drag it up like that. And then you will expect that our call out here is already updated. There you go. And then let's click our level here. Let's just tidy up our drawing. There you go. There you go. All right. Okay, so that's how you create your call out. Okay. So in this video, we have learned how to create our section view and then how to create your call out to create a detailed view of a wall here. Okay, so in our next video, I'm going to show you how to add dimensions. Okay, so again, if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, just put it on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.